Hello and welcome. My name is Janine. I am a mindset coach and I help to transform people's lives so they can start living with purpose and passion. And at the moment here where I am, I'm not sure what it's like where you are, but it's been such interesting extreme weather. We've had so much snow, which we normally don't have. It has been spectacular and beautiful having a white Christmas, yet it's been very, very interesting for a lot of people. But anyway, that's a distraction from where I want to go. Today, I want to talk about cause and effect and the laws that operate in our world and the fact that those laws, every single person. Oh man, it seems to be such a choppy connection. I'm not sure what's happening, but we'll try again. It seems to have been restored. So here I am again. And the one law that I want to talk about is the law of cause and effect. We all want to have beautiful, amazing results, financially, in our relationships, in our health, whatever it is, we all want to have amazing results. Now, those results are only an effect of something which was caused, right? And the one thing that we have control over as human beings is the cause. That is where we create. And from that creation or cause, that is what results in the effect. And I'll share a couple of examples. The first example is when you garden. When you garden, okay, the cause of beautiful vegetables is nurturing those vegetables. But even before you get to nurturing those vegetables and weeding them and watering them, you first have to plant the seed. That is the initial cause. The initial cause is the planting of the seed. So when you plant a seed of beautiful tomatoes, right? You go and buy seeds for tomatoes and you plant the seeds of tomatoes. You nurture that seed. You water it, you weed it, you give it love. And as you nurture it, it grows into a beautiful plant, strong and powerful, that bears beautiful fruits, beautiful tomatoes. The same is true, though, is if you take a seed of a weed, if you plant that weed, okay, and you nurture it unconsciously, it is going to become a strong and powerful weed. So the cause is what you plant. And these recipes, and you've got them there, and you hold them, and you keep them, and you do nothing with them. They're in your folder, they're in your email, and you just see them there. They're there, but you do nothing. The truth is that until you take the action to go and bake the cake using that recipe, you will never ever get a cake. Your effect will never come into being. And I share those two examples because it is exactly the same with our lives. Our lives are controlled by the laws of the universe. Okay? And those laws of the universe are relevant to every single one of us. Doesn't matter what you are creating in your life, what it is you're seeing right now. Those laws are relevant to every single one of us. And so we have a cause and an effect. And for us in our lives, the question is, what is it that you are planting the seed of? You want a better relationship. But what seed are you planting in the garden of your mind about relationship? Are you planting a seed about a weed and continually thinking about what goes wrong in your relationship and how terrible your relationship is and how bad that person is and how they are causing all your pain? Or are you planting a seed of love? Seeing that person in their perfection, giving that person love, appreciating that person, thinking about that person in a loving way. Okay? Because the seed that you plant is the cause. And as you nurture it, that also is the cause. And that cause creates the effect. So when you think about money, if right now you have no money in your bank account, or you're worried, or you want more money to do whatever it is you want, the question is, what are you planting in the seed of your mind? What are you causing which creates the effect? If you plant the seed of being abundant, if you plant the seed of being prosperous, and then you continue to nurture that particular seed, watering it and nurturing it and giving it love, the result will be that you will have more abundance, more prosperity, because it is the seed that you plant, the cause, that creates the effect. If you want a better relationship, if you want an amazing relationship, what is the seed that you are planting in your mind about relationships? Oh, relationships are difficult to get. Relationships are hard. I don't trust anybody because they are going to hurt me. That seed is like a weed. And as you nurture that, you cause the result, the effect. So it is about taking that and asking yourself, what type of relationship do I want? I want a loving relationship. I want somebody who cares and respects me, appreciates me, that I can love, that I can trust. You want to plant that seed, and then you want to nurture that seed and remind yourself, water it with love, care. When you see people around you, give them love, give them care. And as you do that, that cause, the seed that you planted, the nurturing and the love that you give to the seed will cause the effect. And then you will have the relationship that you want. And so as you study this, really take the time to be clear. We are coming up for a new year. It is an amazing time to start taking a step back and asking yourself, what type of seed am I going to be planting? What is it that I really want in my relationship, in my health, in my wealth? What type of life do I want to live in this new coming year? What type of seeds are you going to be getting for yourself? And as you take those seeds, it is time to start planting them and then nurturing them with love, giving them all the affection that you would give to a baby with full love and attention. And then watch it grow, and it will grow into your desire, more abundance, beautiful relationships, amazing health. However, it all starts with you. The law of cause and effect. Choosing the seeds that you are going to plant. Do you want weeds? Do you want unhealthy relationships? Do you want lack of money? Do you want poor health? No. If you don't want those, then take those seeds and get them away. If you want love, if you want abundance, if you want amazing health, then start by taking those as your seeds, planting those seeds in the garden of your mind, and then nurturing them with love, with joy, and with gratitude. And as you love and nurture a baby, the baby becomes stronger, confident, and grows into somebody who believes in themselves. So too you can take those beautiful seeds of amazing relationships, of abundance, of excellent health, plant them in the seed of your mind, and then nurture them. And how do you nurture them? One of the best ways that you can nurture your seeds in the mind of your mind, in your mind that you've planted, is to practice gratitude. Being grateful for what you have and always seeing the opportunity and the gift. And as you practice this gratitude, once you've planted the seed, you practice this gratitude, what will result is the effect of beautiful fruits, wonderful health, loving relationships, abundance and prosperity. And remember, it is your birthright. You are here on this earth. You are unique. You are perfect. You are whole and you are complete. The thing that you need to learn though is, what are the seeds am I planting? How am I nurturing those? Because that is what the cause is. And the effect is going to be the fruits of your labor. So as we go into this new year, I invite you to really take a step back and think about what it is that you really want in your life. Become clear on that. Become clear on perfection. Allow yourself to imagine the possibilities. Okay. And I invite you to join me as I do this exercise with you. Okay? Learning to set a worthy ideal, a great goal, a great desire. Getting beautiful seeds ready for you to transform and take your life to the next level. Okay? So I invite you to join me as we do this together. I'll be sharing some information about it, okay, that you can join in, and we can make this coming year your most amazing year ever. Because you deserve to have abundance. You deserve to have amazing relationships. You deserve to have excellent health. And it is in your reach. Understanding the law of cause and effect. Understanding the seeds that you are planting, how you are nurturing them, knowing that that is the cause, and the result will be the effect. Beautiful fruits of your labor. If you've enjoyed this, I know that it is valuable and it will create a transformation in your life. Have fun with it. Share, comment. If you want to know more, reach out to me. This is your life. You have one life to live. Make it the most amazing one ever. And as we start into the new year, this is the perfect time for you to make it happen. Decide what it is you want. Choose those beautiful seeds of good health, wonderful relationships, abundance, and plant those seeds in your mind. Nurture those to create the results of beautiful fruits for yourself. My name is Janine. I am a mindset coach. I help to transform people's lives so they can start living with purpose and passion. And wherever you are, remember that you are amazing and you are worthy of all greatness in your life. So let's make it happen. I'll speak to you again soon. And bye for now.